Stage 2. Probably super windy. Is that a Minecraft dolphin? This place is pretty dope. It's much nicer down here and during the day. Wristband achieved. Now we wait. Did I mention I'm nervous as f on this? Like, this is my first convention, so my first convention thing. It's pretty dope. Looking for people. I don't see anybody yet. Awesome. I thought this building looked weird. Steve's hiding out.
How much time did you guys have to create and develop that one? Something like that. They usually give us some paper bags.
Alright, so I'm back at the car. That was an adventurous first day. Meeting all these people. You know, Paul and Riley and Barnacules and Colton, of course. Had to hunt Colton down immediately. Luke, he had a line that never ended until he went up and did the WAN show. So, and Linus is all over the place, obviously. So, gotta get some Linus in there. Almost met Edsel, but there was kind of line swirling around, vortexes of people. Denise? Second, now I can't remember her name. She gave me my wristband, and I was like, I recognize you, but I didn't say anything. And then I'm getting up and going and getting in the building and all that stuff. Cool first day, big event. Really liked it. Not sleeping in the car, not sleeping in the BLOC. Got a hotel room. So after this, I'm going to go there. Alright, and so this begins day 2 of stay in Canada at the place, doing the event. Stayed at a place kind of far out of town last night, last minute, because I didn't want to sleep in the parking garage. I don't think I could have. So I was a little bit way out. It was kind of like a bed and breakfast. It was nice. Really wasn't much to see or anything. I just got there and went to sleep. So much quieter than the other place. And then now I'm back at the convention center, parked in the correct parking garage this time. I have my actual parking pass ticket they give you when you drive in, unlike the other place that doesn't do that. So anyways, I'm gonna go get something to eat and hopefully not have to wait in line too long again today. Alright, let's do this.
Dozens. Welcome to day 2 of LTX. Day 1 for some of you. Day 2 for some of you. Do you already know all the problems with this? Okay. No. There's no explanation that is suitable for this.
I don't normally get Starbucks. When I do, I guzzle it down as fast as I can. 3 shots of espresso. Should've got like 5. Oh well.
Stay close, dude. So this is not going to be an easy one, and in fact, I looked at the answer right before I came up onto the stage, and I've already forgotten, so you'll have to pardon me one moment. It is a dodecahedron. Come on up here. Now, creators. Just creators, yes. Guys. Just creators. I need merch from 3 creators. They've got to be ones that are here, guys. Signatures do not count. I'm so sorry.
This is a tough one.
I don't think business cards count. Sorry.
No, he's going back. He ran up and then left.
What?
Oh.
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 Hold on a second.
Hey, does an awesome hardware shirt count as 2? Because that's me and Kyle.
You know what?
Oh.
Oh, I don't know. Let's see what else he's got. Let's see what else he's got. What do you got? Hold it up. Hold it up for the crowd to see.
That's a Paul's Hardware thumbscrew logo.
That is a Paul's Hardware shirt.
Available at paulshardware.net. He is also wearing an awesome hardware sword fight shirt. Also available at paulshardware.net.
And an LMG CPU shirt.
Right there.
Boom. He did it!
Whoa. For you, sir. Congratulations. Use it well. Upgrading from the PNY GTX 660.
Do you have any words?
Just kidding. He brought this here.
Thank you very much, sir.
Oh, it's not from me. It's from NVIDIA. Massive thanks to Intel and NVIDIA, by the way, for these prizes. They're not from me, guys.
Good job.
Thanks, Paul. And dude, why do you have a backpack full of like all these shirts? Do you sweat that much? He's got everything. He's got the Paul's Hardware. Are you selling merch at our show?
No, a few people have asked me about that. It's all in Vermont, so you gotta get a shirt.
Look at this. You've even got an OG fist bump shirt. This is the first ever LTT shirt that we produced. Can I sign it for you? Hold this for me. Don't drop it.
Linus. No. Oh, you got a pen? I got a pen. Okay. I wonder what else we're giving away.
It was off. I need one that's warm. This one is warm!
All right, so thanks to our panel, guys. Can we get a big round of applause?
And I literally think we have something for everybody, so stick around. Dennis shirt.
Yes.
By round of applause, who wants that Dennis shirt to be available in the LTT store?
Okay. Can't even operate the goddamn door. So that fucking happened. I'm ready to fucking cry. I was having kind of a shitty day. Starting out. Didn't feel good. Last night sucked. Got that ticket. Was hungry. My stomach didn't feel good. And all that. I almost left early today. You know, I met everybody. Almost everybody. And I was kind of feeling bummed, you know. I had some things I was thinking about the whole time. Just wanting to come do this. Fucking won, man. I haven't won anything. I've won jack shit in 10 years. My life has fucking sucked. On and off. Pretty fucking bad for the last 10 years. Two things that have kept me going are music, which at a certain point, even the music died, you know? And that was me. That's this, you know? I had fucking given up on music for various reasons. And, you know, my life was just shit. There was some, you know, everyone always says dark times. No, it's worse than dark. Dark is nothing. It's a euphemism. That's a useless saying. That's for people that didn't actually go through anything. I swear to God. Yeah. So, went through some dark shit. Went through some deep shit. Not dark. The lowest of the lows, you know. And the other thing that's kept me going in the last 10 years has literally been fucking Linus Tech Tips. And then getting to know the individual people. You know, Colton. And, you know, I've been talking to Colton for almost 4 years now on Twitch and Twitter and stuff. Luke's gotten to know me. I mean, I officially have met him now, but you know, we bug the shit out of him all the time on Twitch. We really look forward to seeing these guys. And I've always been into tech, you know, and I just finally had started making the videos. And then seeing, you know, because of Linus being an inspiration. And then along with that, seeing, you know, Paul and Kyle and you know, the Hardware Canucks guys and Steve, which I didn't get to meet, but, you know, seeing this community that exists on the internet that's completely separated from the big time news and media and companies. I mean, there are the big companies obviously provide this kind of stuff, but people like them, they made this shit happen, and that's what's kept me going, is seeing them do it, and then finally realizing at a certain point that I should be doing this. My last job was absolutely killing me, literally, and I made a decision one day driving to work, or driving at work actually, and this toxic anxiety was just eating me alive. I went from being, you know, 135 pounds to 109 pounds. Wouldn't eat. Fucking hated everybody. The littlest things made me violent. But I always went home. We always watched WAN Show. We always watched Awesome Hardware. I watched these guys stream. And it helped me. Because those were my people. You know, this is my community. I fit in. I didn't fit in even with heavy metal. It just never worked. I don't know. I can do it. I can do it fine. Still do it, but it doesn't make any sense to me when I do. When I'm making a video about folding at home, or I'm making a video about streaming a game, building a PC for my little sister, seeing her game. That's something I've been doing longer than anything, is gaming and computers. So to finally make it here over 950 miles and 15 hours of a drive and 2 hotel room stays, one was $155, one was $100. I filled my tank, I don't know how many times on the way here. I don't know what the total cost is. Probably sucks. And then the extra cost of this, the ticket, which actually almost destroyed me last night. Like, I couldn't believe it. I was like, how did I mess that up? The one off-the-wall decision I made before I left, I grabbed all the shirts. That's all I did. I just decided I'm going to bring all of them, because I was thinking of getting the shirt signed, and then I decided, no, I'll get this old graphics card signed. I'll get this mug signed for Isaias at work, and he's going to like that. He doesn't know. But because I brought 3 shirts, I won that competition. I have a fucking RTX 2080. After I had bought my 1080, I haven't really upgraded my computer. I downgraded, technically. So, now, I could upgrade my sister. Giving her the 1080. Depending. No, that's what I'm doing. But I won. I couldn't think. I couldn't talk. Shake that dude's hand. It's been my inspiration. And Luke. It's been fucking great. Right at the end. It just blew my mind. So now I'm gonna drive back 950 miles. Yeah. LTX 2019. Next year, I'm gonna fucking be a sponsored creator. I'm gonna be one of those guys. That's my goal. My goal was to make it here this year. My goal is to be one of them next year. And I'm going to hold myself to that. Alright. Aaron out.